You are watching HobbyKit, a one-stop tech gear.
Hello everyone, welcome to HobbyKit channel. When I want to install any library in the PyCharm IDE, generally we use pip install and the library we want. But when I use this function, I got an error that pip is not recognized as internal or external. So now we will sort out this problem. For that, open this PC and click on Properties. Now go to Advanced Settings and click on Environmental Settings. Now select the path over here. Sorry, it's here. Yeah. Select the path over here and click on Edit. Delete the previous one and click on New. And now open the file location of the Python where you installed according to your system. In my case, it is in app data, local folder, program. Here we go Python 3.9 and select scripts. Now copy this location. I'll just Ctrl+C copy this location, and now coming back to this session, and I will paste the location over here and click OK, and again OK. That's it. Our problem is successfully solved. I think so. For that, I will open one of my project which I have been worked. Yes, Python projects, and I am opening my Python project, and I'll open the command prompt. I'll just enter cmd. Yeah. Now let us check. Pip install v. Collecting v and downloaded the v. So we have successfully installed the library called v, and the pip function is absolutely working fine. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.